Would you like to make these ribbon and lace holders right now for free? Keep watching. Hi, my name is Tina, I'm Head of Design of Victoria Designs, and I have another freebie for you. If you're like me and your ribbon and lace stash looks like this, no worries, I have the solution for you. I have for you these beautiful printable ribbon and lace holders, and I also provided the template. To download the PDF, just click on the link in the description, opt in, and they're yours. And now let me show you how I like to turn these printables into sturdy ribbon and lace holders. So these are the pages that you will get. One page has fully designed ribbon holders and one page only has the outline templates. These you can print on really beautiful paper like scrapbook paper with a really nice pattern, etc. But I am going to show you how to make these. I printed these on 160 grams paper like I usually do, but I want them to be a bit more sturdy than this. First I'm going to cut two of these quite roughly. So, and now I'm going to take some scrap cardboard, like this is from a box from something. I can even use these with all the markings from other projects. This is from a pizza box, etc. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this out a little bit better. And I'm gonna glue this on, I'm going to glue this on this side. And for this, I'm simply going to use a power glue stick. There. And now I'm going to cut this out along the lines. Feel free to use an X-Acto knife and a cutting mat to cut these parts because it can be quite tricky in these corners. Now the other one I'm going to cut precisely so I can glue it on the other side. So this goes on the other side. So then let this dry. If some edges don't really match up, just cut these off. Another trick is to use some light sandpaper to sand these edges lightly, of course, or to make them old. Then if you like, you can ink the edges and even add a coat of Mod Podge all over. And then take your piece of ribbon or lace and just wrap it around like this and just tuck in the end. And there you have it, a lovely vintage small ribbon holder or lace holder that you can use for quite a while. I mean, these are quite sturdy now. And if you use these often, they will only get more beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you like the free printables. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share the whole video with your friends that might like this too. And I wish you a beautiful day. Bye everyone.